Hey there, I'm Jessie, and this is our 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. And we had been looking for something for a while on the best way to protect the seats of the Jeep. We came across Marathon seat covers. It's a brand by Covercraft, and they were super cool and sent out to us seat covers to fit onto the Gladiator, give it a shot, and be able to see what our thoughts were. The Marathon seat covers are made of Cordova nylon. Incredibly waterproof, washable, insane durability. We went and opted with the darkest gray that they had, and that's exactly what we got. So here's our box. We're gonna take you through everything that came in it, and then we're gonna get it installed in another video and put it to the test out on the trails and here in the mountains in Georgia. So it looks like it came in two packages. We opened up the first one. This looks like it's the front seat installation kit, and let's take a look. So this is the driver's seat. This is really cool. They stick labels on the inside of each portion. What's really neat about Marathon seat covers that really drew our attention to them is you can't just go like a big box store or other websites and just pick out your seat covers and that's it. They're one size fits all. That's not the deal here. Marathon seat covers custom makes the seats. So when you place your order, they're not just pulling something off the shelf and sending it to you. This is super neat. There is someone in their shop actually sewing your seat covers for your purchase. So they're made to order. That was super, super awesome. We have the MOLLE panels in the back of our driver and passenger seats. So this is a cutout so we could still have the functionality of our MOLLE panels. Let's see what else. Headrest. Find our sticker. This is passenger back seat. The console lid. Insane quality. These feel like nothing that I'd pick up in your local auto parts store. Another headrest. This is driver bottom. So this looks like it'll be a fun piece to install with this Velcro. What drew us to Marathon is that there's so many seats on the market that when you put them on your seats, they don't fit. There's so much bubbling, it's not even, you feel like there's so much loose fabric, and we don't want that. We wanted something that looked like it came OEM. Like it's exactly how the Jeep came, that's the look that we were going for. And that's what drew us to Marathon seat covers. So this is the passenger bottom, and that covers everything needed for the front half of the cabin. Let's go to our other bag. This will be rear seat installation kit. All right, moving on to the back seat. Back seat bottom. Looks like it's going to be a portion of our back bench. If you have a Gladiator, you know that the back bench is split into two to be able to lift up and separate. So this is the larger half of the back bench, and this is the other one. This is the driver bottom, so this will be the single side of the back bench. Headrest. The middle seat headrest. Armrest cover. So the other neat thing about these Marathon seat covers is we have two dogs, and so when they travel with us, they sit in the back hammock. One of the things that we were concerned about getting a seat cover for the back bench was it blocking our ability to be able to feed the straps for the dog hammock through the seat to the back and secure it. The thing about Marathon seat covers is there's a cover for every piece, and so you don't lose a single bit of the functionality, from your seats folding to lifting to accessing your storage box in the bottom to taking down your center console piece. Armrest. That's the word I was looking for. Other headrest, passenger backrest. What's really nice is that even the cutout spots for your seat belts, it's not unfinished edging. It's stitched edging. Super great quality. Very, very impressed. Can't wait to put them on. And then the last piece is the driver backrest. And of course, you get your rear seat instructions. These this packet seems a little bit more hefty. So we'll study this and make sure that we get it installed properly. And the final thing that came in our packaging here is a care and warranty information envelope. So inside it looks like there's a complete guide to pre-installation, returning your purchases, color matching your fabrics if you're buying, or if you're piece buying, maybe you're buying the front half and then the back half later, your warranty, and then how to care for your seat covers. All right, so that is our unboxing of our Marathon Seat Cordova nylon seat covers for the 2021 Gladiator. They have a slew of colors for you to choose from. This was just the one that we chose. They've got camo. They've got a range of any color you can think of. If you wanted to color match it with your exterior of your Jeep or your other vehicle, we'll put all the links below as to how to get to Marathon Seat Covers website. Again, they're a Covercraft brand. And if you know anything about Covercraft, you know it's quality across the board. And there's nothing different with Marathon. We're super excited to be working with them. Thank you and big shout out to Marathon Seat Covers for sending us this care package. And let's get it on. Part 2.